50, yeah, 50. We're nearly there.
Sup guys, Trains here. And we're joined on call by Fabes Trains, currently at Quarrington level crossing just outside of Rossby Station. We're currently awaiting 1 Zulu 25 1007 West Coast Railway Company service from Derby to Skegness. And expected pass at Rossby for 11:59. Trains running currently about 3 minutes late. After passing Allington Junctions at approximately 3 late. Calling stops after here. It'll be stopping at the next station, Sleaford, and then after going on to Skegness, not stopping at any of the other stops there.
They're not stopping at Boston.
No, not stopping at Boston. Mileage of Rossby currently at the moment is about
118.79. 118.79 at GRS 2.
It's
Skeg 2.
It's got here like a mileage 54 miles on one chain.
No, it's got on the sign here 118.79.
Okay then.
Most
I think, but I think that's the mileage from Derby.
Yeah. This is overall between Grantham and Skeg, right the way from Nottingham.
Bloody hell.
So I think straight as you get just after the crossing at Colic, as you go straight down to the next one, you think, there we go.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah, you're slow, right, Mick?
Yeah.
Details of everything.
Okay, so down for our 10:07 1 Zulu 25 Derby to Skegness West Coast Railway Company service, and the expected pass at Quarrington level crossing, approximately expected pass at 11:59. That's from Rossby.
And what's it now?
Time is 11:52 on the 25th of Sunday, the 25th of September 2016.
So yeah, just passing Ancaster then. Like I said, there's more priority to close Rossby first.
It's a busier road, isn't it?
This is. Rossby's less busier, but then it's the hassle of fighting gates. One of them can close itself, but not all that good because it'll then bang and whack back again. Because when I was doing Rossby, getting the, I think they call it the steel train on the Washwood, the signal I let go of the gate heading towards the box for a couple of seconds, it literally sped up like there's no tomorrow. Lucky he caught it before it banged against the stopping point, against the box.
So this train's stops after here as well will be Sleaford and Skegness, not stopping at Boston or Swinesett, not stopping at any stations between those areas. Not
Sleaford, Eckington, Swinesett, Abbotsbridge, Boston, Thorpe Calvert, Wainfleet or Avonhouse.
Nope. Scheduled time of arrival in Skegness 13:35.
I'm just going for a quick ponder because I can't hear much over traffic. That's touching a plant, so it doesn't bang. Here we are. That was 47-237 and Garlity from Derby to Skegness. Lights out.
Let's go see the next video.
Well, that was a pain in the arse. I thought there'd be a 47, but I thought it'd be 5.